Hello everyone, my name is Walter Bloxton and welcome to the class. Hey professor, hey students who I'm going to be doing this class with. Right now I'm under the weather, I'm battling a case of COVID-19. So let me start off with that. Please take it seriously. I'm hopefully in the last stage of getting back to where I was, but I still have to take this class with COVID-19 or not. I live in Houston, Texas, and right now, Texas is becoming one of the, how can I put it, capital next to New York that is battling COVID-19 very bad. I wore my face mask, kept my hands sanitized, but still don't know how I might got it. Could got it from my wife because she's a nurse and her name is Mamiya, and I have 2 kids home and 2 gone. Could have got it from their AAU tournaments because right now they're playing basketball in AAU and never know. So, hello everybody, stay safe. Me, I had mild symptoms, but it still kind of took me down. Sinus infection, nauseation, lost smell for a while, diarrhea. So please don't take this whole situation lightly. I originally was born in New Orleans. Hoorah! Mardi Gras, everybody know New Orleans for Mardi Gras and everything, but I knew it as a birthplace and I knew it as a way of learning life, cooking, jazz, food. So that was one of the big things that developed me into who I am right now. Of this class, oral communication. I could talk all day, but to communicate in public some days, I don't like doing it. But right now, I have no other choice. I don't really like making this video, but I don't have no choice either because of class. How God use my verbal and nonverbal skills. God needs everyone to speak up and bring people to the kingdom. And the only way you can do that by being verbal or nonverbal. You have to know your scriptures. You have to know when someone talking to you or asking a question, how to respond to that question. Because you could either be the first person that welcome into God's kingdom or run away from God's kingdom. Christianity to me is not, I don't like using Christianity. I like calling it the gospel because the gospel is truth. Christianity is man-made, so sometimes we as Christians, we run non-believers away when we should be welcoming them into the kingdom of God. We judge, and the Bible says do not judge due to the fact that you will be judged. We look down on people, and that's not the Christian way. I'm not going to say I'm holy, because I'm not. I'm not going to say I live by all the words, because I'm still a sinner, and I understand that. So, God needs us for his kingdom. He needs us to lift especially right now during this pandemic, he needs us to lift each one of us up. If you're Christian or not Christian, if you believe or don't believe, we should be there for our fellow man. That's what I believe. Right now, what's going on in America don't look too good either. So, how I feel about that, we all created equal, but America have its own sins that it created. And by putting people in chains and bring them here to work the land for free, and they never did nothing about it to change the outcome, now we see what's going on in America. So I hope this class helped me better to talk in public and not be afraid to talk in public. So, hey class, welcome again. I prefer writing because then you don't see me, but we have to do this video. So thank y'all. Welcome, welcome.